In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache on Amazon Music. If the app has been lagging, freezing, or refusing to load songs and playlists, clearing its cache is a quick way to fix common glitches and free up a bit of space. Think of the cache as temporary files the app saves to work faster. When those files get cluttered or corrupted, performance can suffer. The good news is, you can refresh or rebuild them without affecting your Amazon account or your saved library. On the desktop app for Windows or Mac, there isn't a single clear cache button, but there are two reliable ways to reset things. The first is the easiest and safest, and it happens right inside the app. Open the Amazon Music desktop app, click your profile icon in the top right, and go to Settings. Scroll down until you find Reload Library, then select it. This action refreshes your music library and clears certain stored data behind the scenes. It's often enough to resolve slow loading, missing tracks, or minor syncing hiccups, and it doesn't touch your account, playlists, or purchases. If you still have issues, there's a more advanced option: manually deleting the app's cache folder so it can rebuild fresh files. This happens outside the app, on your computer's file system. On Windows, navigate to c/users, your user / app data / local Amazon Music data. On a Mac, go to the library folder in your user directory, then Application Support, then Amazon Music, and open the data folder. Deleting the contents of that data folder forces Amazon Music to generate new cache files the next time you launch the app. When you're done, reopen Amazon Music and give it a moment to rebuild. Performance should feel snappier once it's refreshed. A quick note on what clearing cache does and doesn't do. It can help when the app freezes or lags, fails to load songs or playlists properly, or shows syncing problems across your devices. It does not delete your Amazon account, your purchases, your playlists, or your core library. You're simply sweeping out temporary files that the app can safely recreate. If you're unsure which route to take, start with Reload Library in Settings. It's fast, low risk, and often all you need. Save the manual deletion method for stubborn issues, and be sure you're only removing the data folder for Amazon Music. That's it. Try these steps the next time Amazon Music isn't behaving, and you should be back to listening without the hiccups.